Hello guys, I got here Tsinghua researcher. He does PhD in Hong Kong, and I asked him. He does robotics, so I asked him to recommend some papers and just to talk about what he is thinking and doing right now.
Okay, this paper is about combining MPC, a sampling-based MPC, and the reinforcement learning controller to generate diverse trajectories for robot to complete local manipulation tasks. So, reinforcement learning has achieved great success in training low-level controllers. That is, you provide a low-level command such as velocity and reference motion, and your reinforcement learning controller can track that command very nicely. However, that doesn't suffice to complete the actual task. For example, you want the robot to move a desk or make a coffee for you. So we still get to come up with a way to teach the robot to do a high-level task using this low-level controller. So this paper provides an idea that we can construct a sampling-based planner on top of the low-level controller. And the paper showed that the sampling-based MPC, although conventionally considered to be inefficient due to the number of samples required, can actually be tuned to be very effective in practice and generate diverse skills and generalized objects in, I think the paper does near real time. Yes. Okay, this paper also leads us to rethink a question that is, in a system, which part should be done with reinforcement learning and which part should be done with a conventional planning-based method? And I think the overall framework can be actually more flexible than we think. For example, in this paper, we put RL at the bottom and use the sampling-based method on the top. And however, we know that sampling method anyways, they require samples and can be slow if the task gets more complex, especially when you incorporate some visual signals. However, we can instead distill the sampling-based method again to a policy, and which means that the architecture is not static, it can be fluid, so that we organically combine sampling-based method and reinforcement learning, or even sampling-based reinforcement learning to achieve better results in the future.
What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? So this is the paper you need to use. You see, you need to use this paper. This is the best paper. It's from, here is MIT paper. You need to use this.